Welcome to the Small Biz and Tax channel, and today we're going to learn how to file an LLC in California. Full disclaimer, this is for general information purposes only, and you should always consider legal advice when starting an LLC, especially if you are a professional service. You can file online by going to this website, bizfileonline.sos.ca.gov, and click Register a Business. Now click on Articles of Organization, File Online, create a username and password. Now you'll arrive on this page, which is an 11-step checklist. You'll notice on the left-hand side that these boxes are already checked, but don't worry, that's because I've already pre-filled this information ahead of time. As you complete each step, the box will check off. So first thing you want to do is scroll down and accept the terms and conditions. Next is the submitter information, which is you. So this next step is pretty important. You want to make sure you're not a professional service. So if you're an attorney, accountant, or a dentist, you cannot form an LLC. Chances are that if you formed a business on the side and you're doing it at home, you're not a professional service. But I will provide resources below so you can double check to see if you're a professional service. If you're unsure, you can consider legal counsel to get the correct answer. Remember, you want to get this done right. The next step is choosing your company name, which hopefully you decided upon. Make sure when entering your company name, you add LLC at the end. The next step is to input your business address, but keep in mind, whatever address you use will be publicly available on the state of California website. So if you input your home address, that information will be searchable. If you don't want to use your home address, you can always get a box at UPS, and that way you can register your business without giving away any personal information. California has also recently allowed P.O. boxes, so you can also go to your local post office and get a P.O. box there. This step is deciding who the agent for service of process will be. You can always choose yourself to save money, or you can pay for a third party to accept legal documents for you. Now you need to decide who will be the manager of your LLC. If you are the sole member of your LLC, just click on one manager. If you have multiple members in your LLC, keep in mind that the manager is someone who keeps the business running on a day-to-day basis and has the authorities to make decisions and enter into contracts on behalf of the business. You can, of course, choose to have more than one manager in your company or have every member act as a manager. If your members are unsure how to do this step, you can always consider legal advice. The next step are attachments, which are completely optional and you can skip. Finally, you review all the information and get all the members to sign. Now we come to the payment page, and usually the processing fee is $70, but they're waiving that up until June 30th, 2023, which is a really amazing deal. Now I always select to get a certified copy, and I always go with the standard option just because it's free. Hit the File Online button and you're done. Now if you need any help or professional advice starting a business or have legal questions later on, I personally like Bizcounsel, which has the founders of LegalZoom, but focus on helping businesses. At this time, I have no affiliation with them, but I personally use them for my businesses and I was very satisfied. Believe me, a lot of tax and legal questions will come up and you'll always want someone who will pick up the phone and be in your corner. If you want to help me out, you can tell them Small Biz and Tax YouTube sent you, and maybe they'll send me an affiliate link in the future.